Wala akong naka-record.
Chase them. After we chase them, we go on top, okay?
Hindi pala
All
ako
teams go on
naka-record.
top after we
Walang
chase them. Okay? Use the river, we go on top. We flank the enemy, okay?
Tingnan mo. Yan ka lang, boy.
Okay, all defender team, go to top, use river.
Saktaw. Ang boy ka pa rin, Nero.
Oh, no. Everyone. We will go on mid instead. We'll go on mid instead. We'll go on mid instead. All mid.
Dito ako, tumalan ako.
Stay in the fire pond, guys. Stay in the fire pond inside the tower.
Ay, puta. Lambat nito mga to ah.
Stay in the fire pan.
Stay in the fire pond, guys. Do
Why
not go out to the
everyone is
tower.
outside?
Try to survive. Try to survive. Okay.
Ayun na,
Team
sa
one,
river.
team
Meron
two.
sa river.
Okay.
Ano daw? Saan daw tayo pupunta? O, labanan lang to?
Do not go into the river, guys. Do not go into the river. We're being
Tayo
outnumbered.
siya pa dito. Puta!
Balan, Nick, you are in Mars right now. Come back.
Guys, stay inside the fire pond. Stay inside the fire pond. Team 1, Team 2, go to the left. Team 3, Team 4, let's go to the right side.
Pail nga, pail. Pail, nasan yung ano?
Okay. Guys, stay alive. Just stay alive. Stay survive. Just stay inside the fire pond. Stay inside the fire pond. PvP first, guys. Okay, they're gathering. Just stay inside the fire pond. Okay, go to second tower. Everyone, back to second tower. Retreat to second tower. Second tower mid. Retreat. Position yourself. Okay, push through.
Kaya lang.
Push through.
Left side.
I saw. Don't let them go.
Nagpupul ako. Hindi.
Push through, everyone. Push through. We're gonna push through.
Di ba, ano ba to? Meron nang naka, ano
Go.
Ano gagawin ba natin dito?
Okay, do not fight. Retreat, everyone. All defender retreat. Defender retreat. Go to second tower mid. Second tower mid, everyone. All defenders, second tower mid.
Retreat.
Retreat. Do not PvP, guys. Do not PvP on river. Retreat on the second tower. Do not PvP. Stay on second tower mid. Retreat.
Kari, makakakite ka sa akin kung mahirap.
Okay, stay in the fire pond. We wait for them, okay? Let them go in. Team 1, Team 2, go to left side of the tower. Team 3, just go to the right side, okay?
Makakapasok ka din? Sige, go. Sige. Palo pa.
Okay. Just defend this, guys. Okay, push through. Everyone push through. Rush them. Okay, after wiping them out, just stay on third tower, okay? After wiping them out, just stay on third tower. Don't chase. Just stay on third tower after wiping.
Ano?
Okay, everyone, return to mid tower. Don't chase everyone. Don't go to the middle. Don't go to the river. Just stay on
Look
second
at
tower.
our second
Go back, everyone, go
tower.
back. Retreat. Don't chase. Okay, we wait on the fire pond. Wipe out the enemy on the second tower first.
Wala.
Wipe out.
Ano lang to?
Okay. We stay on fire pond. Everyone, come back on second tower mid. Survive, survive. Try to survive, guys. Try to survive, okay? Stay in the fire pond. Stay in the fire pond. Don't attack first. Don't attack first. Regroup, 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 regroup.
Pumasok ka ba?
Regroup after regrouping. Okay, attack, attack everyone. Attack. Just go. Dive them, dive them. Just dive them. Attack. Don't attack the tanks and the stuff. Just target the DPS. Target the DPS.
Everyone go in the fire pen now. Now.
Go in. Go inside. Go inside, everyone. Go inside the fire pond. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Rush them. Rush them. Okay, they're retreating. They're retreating. They're starting to retreat. Rush. Chase everyone. Chase. 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 Chase.
Meron sa likod ha, meron sa likod. May flank, may flank. May flank.
Ignore the
Nasa kayo.
tank, guys. Just face the back.
May flank,
Chase
flank,
the
flank,
back
may
line.
flank,
Chase
may
the back
flank, may
line.
flank, may flank, may flank, may flank.
Okay, do not cross the river. Do not cross the
Dito,
river. everyone.
nakatay siya ako dito sa may flank.
After
may flank,
after
may
chasing,
flank,
do,
may
do not cross the river. Go back to
Saan
the
ito?
second tower
Hindi,
top.
dun galing
Okay,
ano
wipe the
yata.
enemy inside the tower. Wipe the enemy inside the tower. Okay, wipe them out first. Wipe them out first. Wipe, wipe, wipe.
Okay na. Sa-
Okay, okay.
May isang bumabalo
Okay,
na.
stop at third tower. Stop at third
Cleric
tower.
lang, Beman.
Don't go to river. Don't go to river. Don't go to river. Don't go to river, guys. Don't go to river. Go back to second tower. Go back to second tower. Let's just defend second tower. Let's just defend second tower. Go inside the fire pond, second tower. Fire pond, top tower
Healer
second.
lang eh,
Top
healer
tower
lang.
second, second tower on top. Just go inside the
Ice
fire pond,
already.
okay?
Ice already. Ice already. Ice
Sige,
already.
sige, sige. Balik na tayo, Corbs. Balik na tayo, Corbs. Hindi. Ba't nandun ka? Tago kami ni Corbs. Nag-scout lang
Okay,
kami.
go inside the fire pond. Do not come out. Do not come out. Let them come. Let them come.
Sinicure lang namin si Jilo. Kaya nga.
Okay, just focus on PvP, guys. Try to survive. Try to survive. Don't die. Don't die. If we get wiped out, we lose second tower on top. We lose. We must defend second tower. Okay. Stay inside the fire pond. Stay inside the fire pond. Stay safe. Stay safe. Will be
Oo,
will
ganun
spawn an
talaga.
enemy.
Teka lang. Pinang ina.
If you
Hindi, hindi, hindi.
if you die, use middle updraft. Okay. If you die, use middle updraft.
Ganun
And go
talaga.
to top.
Kapain mo lang yun. Saan kayo? Tang ina. Overrun na to.
If you die, use middle
Wala.
updraft.
Kaya-
Okay, okay.
kaya-
Just focus on PvP mid. PvP mid. PvP mid tower. PvP mid tower.
Pail, kanib, pail. Kanib.
Use top updraft or bottom updraft, then gather on mid. Do not use middle updraft. You'll die. Do not use middle updraft. Just use top updraft or bottom updraft, then gather on mid. Okay, PvP, PvP. Target the DPS. Target the DPS. Just ignore the tanks, guys. Just ignore the front line. Ignore the front line, and go for the back lines. Okay.
Ayun na.
Ignore the tanks. Ignore the tanks. Okay, push, 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 push on mid. Push mid. Push mid. Push mid. Push mid. Go, go, go. We push through. We push through. Wipe them out. Wipe them out first. Wipe them out. Wipe them out on mid. Wipe them out on mid. Wipe them out on mid. Okay. Okay. Go chase, chase, chase. Don't go to. Don't cross the river though. Chase only on the middle. Chase them, but don't cross the river. Okay. Stay in river. Okay, everyone retreat, retreat, retreat. Oh no, no, no. Just continue chase, but don't go in the river, okay? Don't chase on river. Let's see what they'll do. Okay, everyone get back. Retreat.
Bot high ground, bot high
Retreat
ground, bot
on
high
first
ground.
tower. First tower. Both high ground, both high ground.
Nasa ano sila? Sa kabila
Okay,
sila.
everyone go to
Ice
bot,
wall ready,
go to
ice
bot,
wall
go to
ready,
bot.
ice wall, ice wall.
Defend bot, defend bot. They're falling back. Okay, everyone go mid, go mid, go mid, go mid. Everyone go mid. They're going to mid, they're going to mid. All defenders go mid, go mid, go
Go
mid.
from base,
Oo,
go
nasa
from
mid,
base.
nasa mid. Ikot, ikot, ikot. Wag na, wag na, wag na.
Screw our base.
Do not use jungle path, do not use jungle path, guys. Just go to base, and go to mid, okay? Don't use jungle path. You'll die, you'll die. Don't use jungle path, don't use jungle path. Gather on mid, second base. I mean second tower. Gather on mid, second tower.
Go high ground, go high ground.
Okay dyan.
Okay, everyone, gather on mid, high ground. High ground tower, gather on mid.
Ayun, nakapronta kasi. Alam mo, mga to.
Defend mid, second tower, okay?
File, pwede.
Just focus on protecting the flag, guys. All defenders, just focus on protecting the flag. Ignore the front line. Just go to the back line. Go. Full power. Go rush them. Rush their back line. Ignore the front lines. Just rush the back lines.
Ay, salamat. Salamat. Sige, I'll try to push. Never mind. We're dead.
Focus on their back line, guys. Just focus on our back line. Oh, no. GG. Oh my god.
Pwede yan dyan, Jane. Kiklik mo lang yung pangalan, tapos
Hmm?
ma-heal mo.
Ah. Okay.
Quick sa ano.
God, I did so bad. Man.
Yung mga pangalan
Sorry,
sa
guys.
Jane kanina, pwede ka mag-click doon, tapos
GG, good
i-click mo
game,
lang.
good game.
Pwede yan.
Ha?
Yui, do we have another game
Healer?
after this?
Oo.
Oo, ganun naman. Ganun naman talaga.
Maganda pala mag-healer dyan.
Sobrang dami ng pushing team nila. Apakarami. Puking ina. Hindi. BSKD ang ano. Critical injury.